Hi, I'm Dr. Siddharth Nithan. Welcome to Sports Med Doctor. Hope all of you are doing really well. So today I'll be speaking about a little bit different topic. I'll be speaking on ISM Con 2022. So this is the first Indian Society of Sports and Exercise Medicine conference which is being held at Savitha Medical College at Chennai on 24th, 25th and 26th of March 2022. We are very lucky to announce that Arjuna Awardee, Dronachari Awardee and Padma Bhushan Awardee Pullela Gopichand has agreed to be our chief guest. This conference is being held at Savitha Medical College under the aegis of Dr. Dobson Dominic, who is our organizing chairman, as well as the vice president of our association. So this conference, the motto of the conference will be Athletes' Health Moving Beyond Injuries. The conference is a 3-day conference. It will be a physical conference for all domestic participants. For international delegates, we do have an online version because of the travel restrictions, but for Indian delegates, it's only physical. Now the 3-day conference, we have divided it into 3 parts. The first day will be the pre-conference workshop. So we'll have a workshop on 3 areas. So the first one will be on doping, which is going to be taken by a FIFA medical officer, Dr. Kiran Kulkarni, who is also our joint secretary. The second part and the third part is ultrasound guided injections, and a third is a little bit different topic. We are targeting cardio, autonomic and heart rate variability, interpretation and assessment. This is a performance-based assessment tool which is now the in thing, and it is quite useful for assessing performance, for learning about overtraining, and it will be useful for sports medicine doctors, for exercise physiologists, for trainers, for strength and conditioning coaches, for coaches and athletes, so sports scientists as well. So those who are interested, please do try to attend these workshops. On the day 2, we are targeting basically sports medicine and exercise medicine. So sports medicine, the topics will be on on-field events, on-field management, on catastrophic events, topics on exercise medicine, topics on MSK and health and the latest updates, or topics on the current trends in sports medicine basically. These will be taken by international and national doctors of international repute. On the day 3, we are targeting sports science. So sports science, we will be having topics on sports science, sports rehabilitation, sports nutrition, sports psychology, sports technology and so on. These also will be taken by national and international speakers of repute. A few international speakers which I can talk about is one of my good friends, Dr. Alejandro Soler from Colombia, Dr. Francisco Arroyo from Mexico. Both of them are FIFA accredited doping officers and who work with FIFA close range for all international FIFA tournaments. Recently, Dr. Alejandro was in Qatar for the Arab Cup and he was there for the inauguration for the Qatar Stadium, which is going to be used for the World Cup. So we have personalities such as these who will be, giving out their knowledge, which will be quite useful for students as well as for all faculties out there. We have speakers such as Professor Adam Hawkeye from Solent University. We have Associate Professor Nicholas Wagnes from University of Paris. Both sports scientists reputed from Europe. We have Dr. Wade Lombard, who was the strength and conditioning coach for the Indian women's hockey team for the Tokyo Olympics. So we do have a lot of international speakers out there who have accepted to be speakers for this conference. We have for Indian speakers, we have reputed speakers such as Dr. Ashok Ahuja, Dr. Kiran Kulkarni, Dr. Kenjom Nyomdir, Dr. Dobson Dominic, Colonel Bibu Nayak, Colonel Anup Krishnan, Dr. Rana Chengappa, Dr. Barun, Dr. Gagan, and so on and so forth. Quite a lot of doctors are, Dr. Sadbir Singh, quite a lot of doctors who are out there, who are the top sports medicine doctors out there in India, are going to come and present. So please do attend these conferences and to learn maximum. Now you can register in the website ismcon2022.com, www.ismcon22.com. I'll be putting a link in down below, so you can directly go to the website, and everything is given about the program, about the registration, the payment fees, everything. So you please do go through that, and please do register. We have early bird offers for those who are interested in presenting papers or posters also. You need to register first, and then you have to present you can send your abstract. The format, everything is given in the website, so please go to the website and you can easily register as quickly as possible. Any queries on anything, please do comment below. I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. I hope you have enjoyed this video. This is a little bit different, I know, from the usual videos I do, so hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you till next time. Bye.